And if you want to know what is real Iman, إنما المؤمنون الذين آمنوا بالله ورسوله ثم لم يرتابوا وجاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم في سبيل الله. The true mu'mins are only those who believe in Allah and His Messenger, and they have no doubts about it. ثم لم يرتابوا. يرتابوا from rab. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب. From that it is the verb. And they had no doubts about it. And they strove, and then they, struggled in the way of Allah and spent their belongings and their own bodily resources, the intellect, the understanding, the power to organize things, the power to plan everything that you have within you. You have to spend